What is the most important thing on a motorcycle? As always, it's the suspension. While everybody is talking about the rear suspension, of course, the front is as important as the rear, especially when you're equipping the bikes with luggage and you're trying to travel with heavy luggage. In the end, what you can do is you can replace it. You can replace the original version. I have asked for a little help. So this is why I introduced you to our colleague Peter Hanna from the suspension team.
Hello, Peter from Touratech Suspension.
Hi, Peter. What we have here today is a Touratech suspension cartridge system for the front fork.
Yes.
Just take that out that everybody can see this. The Africa Twin is well known for not having the best front suspension. What is the problem?
Yes, the problem is the bike has too much sag, especially if you're loaded or with a passenger. It's too deep, so you will get in trouble with too much load.
What does it mean, too deep or sag?
The sag is, if you take the bike from the main stand, it will sink down, and if you sit on it, even more. And if you then drive with a passenger or with luggage, you have not enough
suspension.
Okay,
so we're having a cartridge here.
Yes.
What is the difference between normal fork springs and the cartridge system?
This is a closed cartridge system. So in this part you have oil and you have nitrogen, and it's completely adjustable. So you can adjust the spring preload, compression and rebound. It's like a shock absorber for the fork.
So what does it mean, rebound and compression?
Rebound is if the spring is compressed and gets out again with power, the damping against the spring. And compression, the opposite. If you compress the spring, the damping.
The damping of the suspension when
Yes.
it is being compressed.
Yes.
Okay. So we'll replace the inner part of the fork completely with this, and then
Yes.
it's adjustable.
And then it's adjustable. You will get it pre-adjusted from us for your needs, and then of course you can fine-tune it.
Okay, why do we do this here in the workshop, and why do we have Peter and also our workshop colleague here, is because when we talk about putting the suspension in the bike, this is really made for doing it in a workshop. I would not suggest doing it by yourself.